You finally do it. $10,000 saved. Then your friend texts, "Vegas this weekend?" You stare at your bank account and wonder, should I go? But here's the truth. Hitting 10K doesn't mean you've made it. It means you're just getting started. In the US, over 60% of adults don't even have $1,000 saved. So if you've hit 10K, you're already ahead. But that money? It's not just numbers. It's leverage. It's peace of mind. It's your exit from survival mode. Here's what actually changes after saving 10K. 1. You stop panicking. Emergencies? They don't destroy you anymore. They just slow you down. 2. You start thinking differently. Instead of asking, "How do I save?" you start asking, "How do I grow this?" 3. You now have options. You're no longer stuck at a job you hate. You can negotiate. You can walk away. But this is where people mess up. They hit 10K and start spending like they're rich. New phone, new apartment, new outfits. And just like that, they're back to zero, but with nicer stuff and more stress. So what do the smart few do next? They park 3 to 6 months of expenses in a high-yield savings account. They start auto-investing, even if it's just $50 a month. They build income skills, not just savings. And most importantly, they treat 10K as the starting line, not the finish. Now you know what hitting 10K really means. But here's the truth. You won't keep it or grow it unless you master budgeting. And the smartest way to start? I break it down in under 2 minutes with 5 AI tools that literally do the hard work for you. Click here. This is the video your money wants you to watch next.